We were friends from almost the very beginning, all through kindergarten, on then to junior high and Colorado College, 4 years there, both political science students. I always thought he would be in politics, but through a series of events, he chose El Pomar Foundation.
It's been a great 51 years. My life, my career has been tied and has been part of El Pomar Foundation, and I cannot tell you what a great job through the years they have done in serving the communities statewide.
It's breathtaking when you think of the impact of so many lives Coloradans that foundation has had under his 5 decades of leadership. I don't think I could have been successful without his guidance in those early years.
I like to say I was a beneficiary of Bill's leadership and El Pomar's work way before I met Bill. And now as mayor, I fully participate in that public-private partnership with El Pomar and with Bill and his team. And they are one of the first people I often go to when I have an idea or a new project, because I know El Pomar is so supportive of Colorado Springs.
One of the highlights in my life was the opportunity to get acquainted with Bill and Kathy Hibble and the friendship that developed with our family. And I mean, I know Bill Hibble because he takes an interest in making a difference in people's lives, making a difference in the state of Colorado, making a difference in the country, and even making a difference internationally.
We were brought up to understand that each person in community has an obligation to community.
What's amazing about our father is he's exactly who you see. There's nothing different at home, and there's nothing different in the office, and there's nothing different when you see him on the street.
I'm very proud of my time with the United States Olympic Committee. I was president for 6 years and 4 Olympic Games. In September of 1988, at the Seoul Olympic Games, I had a cerebral hemorrhage. They're doing everything they can to keep me alive. The attendant in the ambulance said, "Hey, we're 7 minutes out and we've still got him." Now that will get your attention. It's still so vivid. It gives me chills when I think about it.
Bill suffered a major health crisis in Seoul, Korea in 1988. He received top-notch health care during that experience. And what I noticed about Bill was that after that experience, he came away with a deeper commitment to those who were not as fortunate as he was.
I don't think it's any coincidence that it was very soon after he returned from Korea that El Pomar stepped forward in a big way in Colorado Springs to make sure that all our citizens have access to good health care.
I will tell you, I thank the good Lord I'm here today because they ultimately medevaced me to the University of San Francisco Neurological Hospital. On that flight, I started thinking, but what about others? What about others that don't have that level of care? I got back and talked with Bishop Hanifin.
Bishop Hanifin told him, if you want to help people with health care, make sure that you invest enough money to really make an impact.
This evolved into discussions with the Community Health Center here, and El Pomar made a grant to, I think it was about $3 million, to set up the Peak Vista Center.
The role that Peak Vista plays in the community is to be there for anyone that's struggling to get health care. For a long time, we were kind of a well-kept secret in Colorado Springs. And through the years of growth and support of so many people in the community and funders like El Pomar and supporters like Bill Hibble, we became very well known in the community.
Bill Hibble is perhaps the best dot connector that I know in bringing other people to a cause. He gives And that creates an opportunity for others to want to give as well. He's not asking anybody to do anything that he doesn't do.
It's a genuine partnership. There is genuine support. It's not just philanthropic giving.
Since they initially started, the ability to serve the communities has been a trajectory going up. It does make a difference. It relieves the emergency room pressure. It also goes to having better health, because preventative care is very important. And we're all in this together, because when one suffers, we're all going to suffer. So we need to keep people healthy, all people.
Bill Hybl is the perfect recipient for our Champion of Community Health Award because he leads with empathy and compassion, because even in his own crisis, he thinks about what's happening to other people. So he's just one of us.
So much of our city's flourishing is connected to Bill and Elpamar's leadership. So our community owes Bill just an immense debt of gratitude.
Congratulations, Dad. You're so deserving of this. It's been truly a privilege to have you as a father, a boss, a mentor, and a friend.
Dad, congratulations on this very well-deserved award. Thank you for everything you've done for this community and for our family.
This award speaks to your heart. But Bill, I also know, because I've been there and watched you, all of those things your heart's desired would not have come without your leadership and without the hard work you have personally put into it. Well done, my friend.